Hello guys, a very good evening to each and everyone present here. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Harshit Singh of class 12th standard. I think it's my privilege to speak about this crucial topic. Today, I am going to express my views on social evils. So let's start it. Social evils is anything that could be considered a point of controversy or a problem in regards to moral values. Social evils directly or indirectly affect the member of society or a community. Some common social evil like caste system, dowry system, child labor, poverty, beggary, superstition, etc. So let's talk about this topic one by one. First is caste system. Caste system is a social evil which is taking our country backward. Caste decide men's marriage, social circle and profession. The untouchables suffer from numerous disabilities and restrictions. Their place, their food, the place of residence all are in degraded situation. Once Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said, "You cannot build a nation on the foundation of caste. You cannot build up anything on the foundation of caste. You cannot build up a morality." So now the second one is child labor. Children at the age of playing engage themselves in economic activity for their family. Child labor can be seen throughout the country in a wide way due to unemployment of their parents. Children do not get proper education. Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach the real peace to the country, we shall have to start with the children. Now dowry system. It is one of the most evil practices that are prevalent in our country. Dowry system not only puts the immense pressure on the parents but also bring them under the huge debt. And this pressure puts the many women to suicide. Now poverty. A very large section in our country is suffering from poverty. Around 27 crore people live their life under the poverty line in India. Poverty interferes with development of the country. It arrests our mental development during early childhood. And poverty give birth another social evil, that is beggary. Now gender inequality. Gender inequality is the phenomena in which man and woman are not treated equally. Women consigned that they are status inferior to that of men. Female infanticide had a very strong grip over the country. No education for female child. Guys, it is very necessary to take women out to this degraded situation and help her to realize her real potential. Now illiteracy. Illiteracy is the root cause of all the social evils over the society. It is a hurdle to the social, political and economical growth to the country. Illiteracy and lack of education give birth to another social evil, that is superstition. As one should not leave home when anyone sneezes, or if a cat crosses a path. And on seeing one-eyed open person or a widow, it's sure to bring a bad day. And sacrificing animals on the name of offering to God. Guys, the number of superstition is endless, as well as the number of social evils is endless. So friend, we are very well know that social evils are like disease, but we can escape from this by education and by changing our thinking and mentality. Think. Before dowry, think. You are comparing money with your future soulmate. And any young man who are demanding dowry and make condition to marriage, they discredit his education and his country and dishonors womanhood. Once Albert Einstein sir said, the world will not be destroyed by those who do evils, but by those who watch them by doing anything. So friend, it is our duty to improve this, because we are the member of society and we can do this. So first change our thinking and mentality towards the girl and all the social evils. Then change our family thinkings, then the whole nation will automatically change. That's it. Thanks for listening to me carefully.